God is saying to you today, you are coming out of a chapter that has tested you, but it has prepared for you everything that's ahead. In the storm, it's hard to see the sun. However, that does not mean that the sun is not there. The storm is passing in your life, and you are starting to see the sunlight and feeling the energy of a new beginning. You have grown immensely from your recent obstacles and struggles. If you don't see that yet, you will soon. Receive and believe this. God's plan is to prosper you, to put you in another level for you to experience His greatness. God has something big in your future. It's time to ask, believe, and see God work in your life. You belong to Him and you are free. Free from sin, free from shame, free from guilt, free from your past. God has good plans for your future. He is fighting for you. Go to sleep with a prayer. Pray about everything. Talk to God. Just let it out, all the good, all the bad. He is always listening. Prayer does change things. Even if you think God is not listening, let me tell you, He always is. He is always working on something for you. Breathe and ask for forgiveness and also forgive others. Remember, tomorrow is a new day. Start fresh and clean. Type Amen if you believe.